I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn adding and subtracting fractions together, step by step. You can only add fractions when the pieces are the same size. 1/2 and 1/3 have different size pieces, so we cannot add them yet. First, we must make the pieces match. Find a number both denominators share. 2 and 3 both fit into 6. So 1/2 becomes 3/6 and 1/3 becomes 2/6. Now both fractions use sixths. Once the denominators match, just add the top numbers. 3/6 plus 2/6 is 5/6. The denominator stays 6 because the piece size does not change. Let's subtract 1/3 from 3/4. 12 works for both, so 3/4 is 9/12 and 1/3 is 4/12. 9/12 minus 4/12 is 5/12. So to add or subtract fractions, rewrite them with a common denominator, then add or subtract only the numerators. Keep the denominator the same. Matching the pieces is the key step. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.